What's up, everybody? It's your man Josh. We're back. We are in Altadena right now. As you guys know, we had some fires a couple months ago, back in January, that kind of flattened 90% of the town of Altadena. So, excuse me, I just had breakfast, Peter, but this is where I live. This is the community I live in, and they're putting on a Cars and Coffee. We got tons of people out here today. So we're gonna go walk around, check out some cars. I ditched work for this, and I think it'd be pretty cool. All right, we're over in Altadena, checking out some cars. We're gonna start over here. We got some lowriders. Check these bad boys out. This thing clean. Got the turtle out. Boy, hitting them things. Man, look at that. Got the pumps in the back. Look like we got a 10. This thing's pretty cool. Just checking out the front end of it. This bad boy's clean. Got a little Chevy truck in here too. He was hitting the switches earlier and we missed it. I was over here running my mouth. But look at the pinstriping on this. This thing is nice. Yeah. Check it out. And got a Volkswagen van again. A little Volkswagen bus. This thing is cool. I think it's pretty cool how the windows flip up. Couldn't imagine driving this thing and not having no windshield. But that was the thing. That was the thing. And we got a Beetle over here. I met the owner, Mr. Greg. He's an awesome guy. Cool story behind this car. His wife had it restored for him secretly, and she surprised him with restoring his car, for his 40th birthday. So he's had it since he was mid-20s. It's pretty cool, pretty good of his wife. Got an old Corvette, it's a C1. Yeah, starting to learn more about Corvettes now that I got my dad's Corvette. It's a cool photo. Man, this would be cool to come out with the old, like one of those vintage cameras and take photos of these cars. Yeah. But I always got to check out the Cadillac. Yeah. 2060. An Altadena car. Yes, sir. You guys don't know about this. I know you guys don't know about this. Not a lot of people know about this. It's a Volkswagen R32 Golf. Not many people know about this car. This thing is awesome right here. Awesome. VR6, all-wheel drive. That's a mean machine right there, baby. Altadena Cookie Co. We're at Lucy's Place, Mexican food. Had a fire chorizo burrito this morning. Got Mustang, got Bentley out. Mercedes. There's a Blackwing. That's pretty cool. This thing is pretty cool. Got a Firebird here. I mean a Camaro, sorry. Camaro, Firebird, they're the same car. Love that old school shifter. Just sliding it into gear. Yeah, this is nice. This right here is what everybody wanted to look at. He pulled up and this thing was rumbling. This thing is awesome. And he drives it too. The tires is bald. This thing is cool. Yeah, look at this bad boy. Definitely a race car, for sure. Sounds good. There's some more cars out in the back, so let's go check those out. And my uncle had a Ford pickup, not a Ford, sorry, Chevy pickup just like this when I was a kid. I remember he used to be working on it. It was brown, and I'd be jumping on the back bumper. It was, the shocks in it, the leaf springs were real bouncy when I was a kid, and I used to sit there and just jump on it. But this is cool. I think it's been clear coated. It looks like, to preserve the patina. I think that's pretty cool. That's kind of what I want to do. Yeah, it looks like it's been clear coated here, and then at the top it hasn't been clear coated yet. So, or maybe he just polished it up. But either way, I like it. I really want to get into it. Man, there's so many cars I want to get into. And then we got the GTR, you know, my favorite, R35 with the wide body. Oh, this looks so good. I think it's on bags too. Look how deep these wheels are. Man. I'd sell both my cars for this. All right, we're getting towards the end of it, but this is the back lot. There was a couple C10 pickups that were here. They just pulled off and left, but we missed out on those. And it's cool, man, meeting people, you know, chit-chatting. Got a 911. Everything's pretty cool. I'm sure my homie Jose would appreciate this, so I'll take some photos for him.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah, this is nice. Gotta love the Volvo. People sleep on these. Volvo made some pretty cool wagons back in the day. They made some pretty cool cars. We got an Evo 10. Got an old Integra. This thing is nice. It's real clean on the inside. Oh, you got a little rotor back there. This ain't no rotary. That ain't no rotary. Wow, look at that dash. That thing is mint. S2000 is actually one of my customers' cars. I ran into him when we pulled up. Young kid from Altadena. So yeah, this is pretty much it. We doing car shows apparently every Saturday at the liquor store up here in Altadena. We're on the corner of Altadena Drive in Lincoln, and we're doing Cars and Coffee. This is where it's at. One last car before we take off. Viper GTS. Never seen a yellow one in person. This is pretty cool.
I've never had one. I haven't had one that's ever been considered total.
Yeah, this thing is cool. Viper V10, baby. All right, y'all. Well, this was an unexpected car adventure. I know it's been a while since I've really been on the YouTubes doing car stuff, but we're here in Altadena strong, baby. We're gonna be rebuilding, and I love what we're doing here in the car community in Altadena, and trying to, you know, bring everybody together. So like I said, we're here on the corner of Lincoln and Altadena Drive, just hanging out, enjoying the good old car community. So I will catch y'all on the next one. I'm gonna go work on this Corvette.